Yo guys, what is going on? I'm about to drive into oncoming traffic. Just kidding, but this is Connor. Thanks for checking out the vid. We're gonna go out, get a quick little rip in on a good old trusty CRF 250L Supermoto before we actually go and watch the Phillies in the freaking World Series. Just gonna do a super quick ride today and just enjoy it, I guess. I actually haven't ridden in like 2 weeks. Scary truck. Scary BMW. I'm scared of everyone. Yeah, this will be a quick one. Hope you guys enjoy it though. Today we're gonna see if wheelies are like when you go to the gym and then take like a week break and then you're stronger. Let's see if today my wheelies are stronger because I've taken a bit of a break. Oh, that dude. What the hell was that? Was he just trying to cut me off? Maybe, who the hell knows? Luckily, he did not try and run me over. That is always a good sign. This guy's turning right. I won't go in front of him because I'm gonna wheelie anyways. Guys, as you can tell by the leaves, we are at that point of the year where it starts to get very chilly. It's actually not that bad right now. My Cardo thinks I'm saying, hey Siri, I'm not. But yeah, weather is like, it's like 60 degrees right now, so it's really not too bad. It's been really volatile though, the weather. It's just been like super cold some days, super warm the other days. But you know, we're just gonna ride as much as we possibly can. See how these wheelies feel. A little swervy. Clean it up. A little too much swerve on that one, my guy. Whew, yeah, once you get up to speed, it definitely gets a little bit nipply, a wee bit nipply. It's nothing we can't handle though. Go full tuck on the Sumo. Roll the blades, baby. Let's not run into this runner, please. That would be a bad day for the both of us. Or into that Cadillac. Jeez. So wheelies are kind of meh, as expected. That's what happens when you don't ride for 2 weeks. But yeah, when you're trying to progress on wheelies, guys, you really just want to get out as frequently as possible. Even if it's like 30 minutes a day, that's going to be way better than getting out like, I don't know, 4 hours or even 8 hours one day a week or one day every 2 weeks, because then you just don't really have a lot to build off of. You don't have like a good foundation, and then, I don't know, you're just not going to continue to improve. I say this in every video, guys, but if you want to improve your wheelies, go find a hill like this, because it makes it a hell of a lot easier. It's less scary because you don't have to go as far back to balance point. Ah! Oh my god, a buck. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's a buck over there. He's not fazed by my incredibly sounding bike. I actually want to go look at the water up here real quick. Oh, that's a bit of a large curb. Oh, and I just did it again. Just stole it. Not a good spot to stall it, Connor. Ah! Oh, actually, we could just go to the parking lot up there instead. Swerving all over the place right now. Surprised there's not a cop there. I think in my last like 3 videos, every time me or my friend Owen have wheelied by this spot, there's just conveniently been a cop sitting right here. Hey, there you go. And that's a cop. Here. Luckily, nothing really came of it, but fingers crossed. Ooh, he made a little ramp for me. Yeah, there we can see the water. Yeah, they got that little tugboat or whatever you want to call it for all of the rowers that row in the Schuylkill here. All like the colleges have schools here, but all right, nice little view. Let's keep it moving, baby. Oh, this pig can't wheelie in 3rd gear. Come on now. She sounds extra loud today. Next thing I know, my exhaust is going to be falling off. Which is funny, guys. The beauty of living in the city. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, I've got a little Ford Ranger that I love to death, and my catalytic converter got stolen like just the other night. So it's like, that's super, super cool. Just sucks, man, but whatever. It is what it is. Such is life. Ah! That was a little sketchy. Tell you what, guys, I bent this shift lever falling. Insert video here. Literally unbelievably slick. So I bent it back, but it really just like isn't bent back enough. It's still like face up a little too much. So whenever I shift, it's just not shifting fully. So it like kind of skips a gear sometimes. So I need to really just either bend this back or just get a new shift lever altogether because it's annoying me. Yeah, My tire pressure probably went up since it got a lot colder. It's one thing I didn't think about because it's good to like lower it to get more control, keep the wheelie straighter, but yeah, it's definitely increased. Oh, leaning right again. Say no to traffic. He didn't want me to pass him. See what we got up here. Ooh, what's back here? Did I just find a new random little trail? What the hell? Oh, it goes to the train tracks. Holy mud. Almost lost it. Yeah, there's no way. Swing around. Oh, this bike is gonna need to be cleaned after this. Look at all those tires that are just ditched back here. Oh, this is a perfect spot for my daily donut at Moto Bro. Need a little more gas. Woo! Oh, jeez. Dude, that literally is making me dizzy. I didn't even do that many circles. Let's take the dry path, ideally. Oop, sorry, plastics. Well, that was fun. That was a fun little adventure, right, guys? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my God, I was leaning far left. That was sketchy. Scary. I think I just got a bug in the eye. Now there's this guy. Oh, jeez.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list.